My first sunset in Roatan, Honduras. It's about 5 o'clock. Sunset completes around 5:30, and I'm near the boardwalk in West Bay. I'm in Annie's Cafe boardwalk, and there's a jetty for boats. It rained all day today, and now it's a beautiful, calm evening. There's a water taxi coming here, and it takes about 5 minutes to get to West End, which is a little town at the other end of the harbor, and it's more funky resort type places, dive shops, cafes. A lot of expats live there. It's not as expensive as the West Bay end. So now we're looking at towards West Bay, which is the beautiful, beautiful sandy beach. Lots of restaurants. I'll do a walking tour more in depth when it's sunnier. But here we are. It's just a beautiful evening. It's a perfect evening, calm. And now I'm still walking along the boardwalk. All the water taxis are coming in to pick people up from West Bay. Here comes one beyond the jetty here. For $5 US one way. So this is Sunset Grill. It's really pretty. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's there? This is Sunset Bar? Oh. Okay, thank you. So now I'm gonna walk along the pier and the Sunset Grill on this bar, or on this jetty here, and the restaurant we just saw was the Sunset Restaurant attached to the Sunset Hotel. This is picture perfect right now. And why I came to Roatan is because the reef is right offshore. So the water's so clear, I can see the seagrass down there. And tomorrow I'm going to be going snorkeling again. We're overlooking the entirety of West Bay. And at the far end is I walk along the beach all the way to the west end there, and there's a rock wall where you stop at the end of that sandy beach area. And that's where the best snorkeling is, along the cliff walls. More of the boardwalk. And this is nice. They have sun covering as well as rain covering on the pier here. Can you say something? Hi. How are you? Look at you. So pretty. There's no one here. It's amazing. And it's right on the waterfront. It's been slow because there were so many blizzards in North America that a lot of flights were canceled. People canceled their trips. It was really a nightmare getting out of Canada this time around. It was -50 in Calgary, Alberta. Record temperatures like Siberia. So I'm sure lucky to be here. I got out of Canada just in time. They've got Christmas lights here. Well, there's a cruise ship in the horizon leaving. There were apparently 3 cruise ships on the island today. That gets pretty busy. But they usually tend to stick in certain parts of people who get off the cruise ships. So you can find lots of places that are still pretty quiet, especially if you're snorkeling. You can find a hideaway